Here at Sun and Fun 2021, Whipline, well known in the industry for making floats, straight floats and amphibious floats, showing off the 500 set here of the 2100, and they've got a gadget that's supposed to keep you from landing with the wheels down in the water.
I'm Amy Gesh at Wipaire. We are here at Sun and Fun. We have delivered our 500 set of the Whipline 2100 float on this beautiful brand new AVweb Husky. The float was first certified back in 1997 and it's approved on a number of applications. It's our most popular float that we have ever built, so we're very happy to have this one here and on display. One of the product improvements that we've made over the years, in addition to general refinements on the float, is we did develop our laser gear advisory system, which is standard on new Whipline amphibious floats. And what this system does is adds another layer of safety and protection by looking at the detected landing surface. So not only looking at airspeed, not only looking at detected gear position, but also measuring back what we're seeing as far as a landing surface so that we can give you an intelligent check gear alert that you're not going to tune out. A couple things that you will see in the cockpit with that gear advisory system. The first is going to be the gear selector. Now the gear selector has your 4 blue, it has your 4 green lights showing either land or water. There's a pump in transit amber bulb as well. And then there's an additional switch which depicts land or water. So you will see a green land or a blue water on the switch. In the event that you do get a check gear annunciation, you will push that button to silence it and to confirm that you have considered the situation that you're in and made sure that it's either appropriate or you initiate a go around if that's the appropriate action. Wipaire has been building floats since 1960. We have historically had an all aluminum float product line. In addition to introducing new aluminum floats along the way, we also have a very active composite float development program, and we're looking forward to having more news about that soon.